What's up, guys? Welcome to another day in Hawaii. I'm here at the Diamond Head Crater. Just got dropped off by a lift, about to go through this tunnel and go check it out. Hopefully it's not too windy and I can fly my drone and get you guys some drone shots. So let's go inside. Okay, so right now I believe we're inside the crater. You can see the ridges all around, but I don't really want to be inside. I kind of want to go outside, like to the beach, and get a good spot to get a drone shot. So I'm gonna go back out and go to Diamond Head Beach, try to fly my drone. Before we head down there though, let's check out this view. That looks amazing. Pretty nice view, huh? Don't know if you can tell from the video, but right over there is the beach, or the ocean, I have to say. You can see the clear blue water. Check it out, guys. Right down there is Diamond Head Beach. Doesn't that ocean back there look amazing? Trying to figure out a way how to get down there and get into the water and try to get a good spot to launch my drone. All right, guys, I'm about to launch my drone. Try to get some footage really quick. Wish me luck. That's some pretty cool footage, huh? I figured it out. I looked up a YouTube video on how to fly the Mavic Mini in high winds, and it has 3 modes, and you're supposed to fly it in sport mode, which is, enables the Mini to handle higher winds. So I was flying it. I went out into the ocean. I took a chance, not knowing if it would hold up or not, but it did. Got some good shots of the side of the Diamond Head here. Check out that water though. My goodness, clear as day. All right, guys, it's lunchtime right now. So I'm gonna go to a place called the Rainbow Drive-In. It's supposed to be really, really popular. And eat something called Loco Moco. It's a Loco Moco plate. It has like rice, beef, eggs, and stuff like that, and gravy. So that sounds really good. I'm gonna go try that out. I didn't have any breakfast, so I'm starving right now. Moco Loco plate. Let's dig in. Oh man, that was good. Very filling. It was a lot of food. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna get over to Pearl Harbor. Let's get going. All right guys, I just left 7-Eleven, went there to reload my bus pass and buy some water. And while I was there, I saw that they sell a lot of ready-to-eat food. And one of the things I picked up was some Spam Musubi. I want to try this out, and you know, I know what you guys are probably thinking right now. What a fat ass, he just finished eating a big plate and he's gonna eat more. Give me a break, all right? I'm in Hawaii and I'm gonna try some Spam Musubi. And I don't know if you noticed, but they sell a whole variety of like ready-to-eat stuff there. So I think I'm gonna pick a few things up from there from now on when I go home to my Airbnb, just to snack on while I work on my vlog. But let's try this out, Spam Musubi. All right guys, here we go, Spam Musubi. Cheers. It smells a little fishy when you go in for the bite because of the seaweed. But once you start chewing it, it just tastes like Spam. It doesn't taste too bad. That's Spam Musubi. I mean, it was all right. It wasn't the best, but not something I would eat on a regular. But anyway, let's get over to Pearl Harbor. We have made it to Pearl Harbor. Let me find the entrance. I believe it's over there where all the people are coming in and out of. The Arizona, the Oklahoma, and the Utah. Check that out. Did anchor recover from the USS Arizona? It's a huge anchor. Check out the battleships. You got one right there and one right there. We have one back home that was in World War II also. It's called the USS Lexington. It's a museum now. So they do have a ferry that takes you across the bay to go check out the Pearl Harbor Memorial that they have, but they're sold out for the day. It's pretty late in the day right now. It's like 3 o'clock. And one of the guys that works here I spoke to said that they sell out pretty quick. They only sell them a day in advance, so you gotta snatch them up really quick or they'll sell out. So unfortunately I won't be able to go on the ferry and go check out those battleships and the memorial site up close, but at least I got to hang out around here and see this, the memorials that they have here. Check it out. Before we go, let's check out the gift shop, see what kind of cool stuff they have. Guys, check out these prints. I think I'm gonna snag myself one of these. $25 is not bad. All right, got a few souvenirs here. Shirt, a poster, a print, and there's a magnet in there. Now we can get going. Let's go to downtown and get something to eat. All right, guys, I'm gonna walk in here. A place called Redfish Poke Bar. Try some Hawaiian poke. Okay. Let's go, man. Never had poke, so I'm gonna go. I guess I'll do the deluxe with white rice. I'll do the beef and the shrimp. We'll do that. Okay, probably this stuff right here. Yes, we'll do lomi. All right, guys, we got our poke bowl. It's shrimp and beef, I believe. That's what I chose. I already forgot, but look at that. It looks really, really good. Got some lomi salad right there on top of white rice with the shrimp and the beef. So let's dig in. Still has the tail. That's some pretty good food, guys. Poke bowl. First time having one. It was really, really good. I wasn't expecting to like it, but I really did. I mean, I love shrimp, so shrimp and beef was a good combo on white rice. And I'm gonna go on one last stop before I go back to the Airbnb today. It's not too far from here, a few blocks. It's a statue of King Kamehameha. I don't know who he is or what it represents, but I've seen the picture on Google and it looks really cool. So let's go check that out. There he is, King Kamehameha. I jumped on Google and looked up who he was and why he's significant. He is the founder and first ruler of the Hawaiian Islands. So he unified the islands of Hawaii back in the 1700s. So, you know, it's obvious why he's a very important figure in the history of Hawaii. All right, guys, it's about to be 6 o'clock here in Honolulu. I'm going to call it a day here at King Kamehameha statue. I'm going to catch the bus, go back to my Airbnb, relax for a bit, relax my feet. They are pounding right now. And upload this footage, work on the next vlog, or this vlog actually. So I'll end the vlog here and I will see you tomorrow. I'm assuming it's going to be Waikiki Beach, so stay tuned for that, okay? I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.